Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. And happy days. Always. And time check is 4:12 na everyone. Na-late ako ng labas pero may time pa rin. Kaya pa rin let's do the 15 minutes walk and one bus everyone. Madilim ang kalangitan. But our weather for today is about 7 degrees. But later is it comes 17 degrees. So that's it everyone. See you later and good morning. Watching the funeral of our late Nora Honor.
Hapon doon ko namin nilagay yan eh. Ay, hindi pala, tinuha pala niya. Nakahapon. Marami na yan pala ito yung nilagay.
Everyone, good morning. Pauwi na. Napadaan lang sila dito. Ayan. Diba? Naging skeleton na si dinosaur. Oh. Naging skeleton na si dinosaur everyone. Kaya inaayos nila. Under renovation na naman. Dati, naglalagay sila dito ng skating. Ice skating pala yun. So ngayon, hindi na. Ayan na. National Museum to. National History Museum. Yeah, that's it everyone. See you later. I'm towards South Kensington. I'm gonna take again the District Line and Jubilee Line at Westminster everyone. See you later. Yan, hindi na masyado malamig kaya ipakita na ang mga puting buhok na natatago sa sombrero or sa bonnet everyone. See you later. Willisden Green. Yes, everyone. See you when I see you.
This station is Westminster.
Wala akong kasama everyone. I'm alone here in my bagon.
West Hampstead.
At West Hampstead. Going home already everyone. Terminates in Woolston Green. So that's it. And time check is, what time is it? 10? Why no? 9:30. 9:35. Oh. 9:38. Sa cellphone, 9:38. Sa watch ko, 30. Yeah. It's the same. Ayan lang everyone. Makita nyo dito yung after ng Kilburn, makita nyo dito yung kwarto ko. Yan. Yung bahay namin na may talokbong ang bubong. Everyone. O, diba? Later.
Kilburn. This train terminates green.
Wala pang estudyante kaya ayan, hindi pa busy ngayon ang train. So, ayun lang everyone. Malapit na tayo. Saglit lang. Mga ilang minuto na lang. Diba? Service Deluxe. I am alone in one wagon. Ayan, malapit na. Ito yung mga train na pinapakita ko sa inyo. Ayun. Pag ay natakman. Grabe ng train. Yung may takip ang bubong. Oh, where is it? Nawala. Doon pa banda. Uy, naku po. Diyos ko, die. Grabe naman yan, everyone. Ayan. Nakita niyo ba yan? Ayan, yung may talokbong. Yung may harang ang bubong. Yan, ang amin. Yan ang aking cage. Ayan, see you later, everyone.
With you at all times. The next station is Willesden Green. Doors will open on the right-hand side.
Ay, okay. Kain tayo for lunch. Sinanay pasta. Kanin. With Toyota. Watching TV Patrol. Nasa taas yun, nasa kwarto. Time check, everyone. Grabe. 4:05 na. Nakalimutan ko yung alarm ng relo ko. Ay, ng cellphone. Nakalimutan kong tanggalin. Ay, ibalik. Sorry. Kasi tinanggal ko yung in-off ko. Dahil maaga kaming napasok noon. Oh my Jesus. So, ayun. Ngayon naman ay late. Hindi pwedeng pumasok ng 3:00. So, ayun. Nagising niya. Buti nagising ako. Grabe. Thank you, Lord. Yun lang, everyone. See you after 2 trains. Sa panghapon trabaho. Grabe. Hanggang gabi. Pero, maaga kaming matatapos nito kasi hindi pa naman normal. Ayun lang, everyone. See you when I see you. Everyone. Ito yung first train ko. Time check is 4:10. Second train, everyone.
This is
I'm here, everyone. Higher education. So, expect the unexpected. Oh. Hi, thank God! Hinintay niyo ako.
Doon naman, nagtataka nga kami kung wala ka pa. May dala akong doon, ha?
Really?
Oo, nintay ka nga namin money.
Oh, look. There's a lot. Oh. Arabis. Yeah. Oh, it's all right. No, not all right. Okay. Let's go, everyone. We're going home. And this is the night again here. Bye. See you tomorrow morning. Yeah. Bye, Bix. Shout out. Good night. Okay. What?
The orange. Yeah.
Ah, you put your orange there. Okay. Good. Good one. Hi. See you when I see you. The packet. Home base na, everyone. Ayan ako, time check. Inabot kami ng gabi na yan. 9:10 na, everyone. Ang ganda ng kulay dito, no? Yellow. It's a yellow. Good night, everyone. Ayan, oh. Mag-10 na po, pero kakain pa rin ako kasi magugutom ako. Tapos iinom ng ginger at iinom ng vitamins, everyone. While watching YouTube. Good night. God bless and I love you all.